Hey, I'm missing a wheel on my snowblower. What happened? Where did it go? Well, let's find out.
Yeah. Okay, over here I got one grease fitting here, and I got one down there. Test out today, but see a little sample of what you.
This thing I don't have it laying around.
Okay, so I was snowblowing and my wheel broke. Broke right off. It looks like this is welded. It was welded. The welds, I think, held. It's just the metal ripped open. So it got like a dual layer of metal here. So what I'm going to do is, I think I might be able to fix this, because this is going to be hard to find a wheel like this. It's a 1970s snowblower, and so it's kind of hard to get parts. But I'm going to grind all this down to bare metal and clean all this up. And then I'll try welding it. And it should, if I weld it on this side, weld it on the opposite side, it should hold. So let's get at it. Okay, and this here, I think I'll take out in the garage and do it on the wire brush. It'll be a lot easier. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now the trick is going to be to get this in there straight, so this thing doesn't wobble after I weld it. Okay, let's set it all up, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to start my welder off here at number 4, and I got this on max. My Harbor Freight 90 amp flux welder. Try it out. Okay, what I did is I put some bolts in here. There was holes in here already, so this is like a double layer of metal here. And I think water probably ended up getting in here and freezing. That's how this broke in the first place. But I put some bolts here. It gives me something to clamp onto actually too. And I'm gonna put this big bolt right there just so stuff doesn't go inside there into the shaft. So I'll just weld around there and see what happens. Okay, I'll clean that up and I'll be right back. Okay. Yeah, it's not that pretty, but it's definitely going to hold. You put some white paint on it, make it look better. Okay, now for the other side. Also, I'm cleaning if there's any grease, oil residue. I did the other side. I just didn't show it on camera, but clean it with some alcohol. Go around this. You can see how dirty it is. We'll turn it around. Okay, good enough. Yeah, let that cool. Clean this up a little bit. I'll throw a little paint on this. Yeah, you can see what it looks like. Not bad. Throw a little bit of paint on it. It's like 40 degrees in here, so it's not going to stick too good, but yeah, what can I do? It's winter time. Okay, I'll just let that set up for a couple of minutes, and I'll put it on. Okay, let's put this baby on. Okay. Okay, this pin was in there, so I'm just gonna put it back. I don't care. There. It ain't coming out. That's it. And she's done. I'll try it out, and then it's actually snowing today. It's starting to come down. We're supposed to get 3 to 8 inches, or 4 to 8 inches. But yeah, I'll be ready. Hey, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and take care.